Welcome to our channel. If you want to update your Roku device's firmware to access the latest features and security improvements, follow these step-by-step instructions for both automatic and manual update methods. Step 1. Turn on your Roku device and your TV. Navigate to the Roku home screen by pressing the home button on your Roku remote. Step 2. Scroll up or down and select Settings from the menu options on the left side of your screen using the directional buttons on your remote. Step 3. In the Settings menu, select System to access system-level options and configurations for your Roku device. Step 4. Select System Update from the list of system options. This section displays your current software version and allows you to check for updates. Step 5. Choose Check Now to manually search for available firmware updates. Roku will connect to its servers and determine if a newer version is available for your device model. Step 6. If an update is available, Roku will automatically download and install it. The process typically takes 5 to 10 minutes depending on the update size and your internet speed. Step 7. Your Roku device will restart automatically after the update is installed. Do not unplug your device or turn off your TV during this process to avoid corrupting the firmware. Step 8. Once the restart is complete, verify the new firmware version by going back to Settings, System, About to confirm the update was successful, and your device is running the latest software. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.